All right, good morning, second grade students. Today for language arts, we are going to be talking about forming compound words. So first off, we need to know what is a compound word. So a compound word is two small words that can be put together to form a whole new word. So this new word is what we call a compound word. And the new word has an entirely different meaning. All right, so we're going to be looking at some IXL examples here. And so the directions are telling us to type the compound word. So they give us the two words, and we need to put them together. So for this one, they give us the word tooth plus pick equals, and putting those together, we get the word toothpick. So all we're doing is putting them together as one word. So we know that tooth by itself is talking about one tooth in our mouth, and the word pick could be used as like a gardening tool or some other sort of pick. And when we put tooth and pick together, we get the little wood piece that when you go to a restaurant, they have them kind of at their front desk. You probably have them at home as well, and you use them to get food out of your teeth, or you use them for baking. All right, our next one says type the compound word. And again, they give us both of the words already, and all we're doing is we're putting them together to make one full word. So we have the word fire and place. So we're going to make this into fireplace in our box. So we're going to have no space in between those two words. And so fire we know is a flame, and place means some place that you are, somewhere that you are at. And so when we put fireplace together, a lot of us have these in our homes, and we use them to keep ourselves warm. All right, this one, it still says we're going to type the missing word, but this time we're missing the first word here. So something plus thing equals everything. So we know that they already gave us the word thing, and we see thing right here. So we need the first part of the word here to break this apart. So we're going to take every, and every is what we're going to put into our first box. So in this one, it's almost like we're pulling those two words apart to make them two separate words again. All right, and our last example here. So this one says type the compound word. So again, we're doing the same thing. So they give us the two words, and now we need to put them together to make one word. So we have the word tea and the word pot. So when we put these two words together in our box, we're going to have the word teapot. And we know that the word tea is a drink that you can drink hot or cold. And pot, a lot of times when we think of pot, we think of like maybe boiling water on the stove or cooking food in a pot. And when we put teapot together, and we get the word teapot as one word, then we are specifically talking about a pot that we put on our stove and get water really hot so that we can make hot tea. All right, and that is our language arts lesson for today.